So this is my Brother printer, and as you can see here down, it's the MFC J6720DW, and it's a good printer, works absolutely great. And up until about 3 days ago, it decided to not print the black. So I went online and found out what was going on and did a test run, and that was the first one that came out, and obviously the black is just not working at all. So after a series of cleaning with a kit that came from the Printhead Hospital, which had got everything in it that I needed: syringe, gloves, and a bottle of fluid, which you can see just inside there. That I was and a series of pipes and some instructions which allowed me to go into the side panel over there, take all the cartridges out and feed the fluid into the system and mop it up in the correct way, which all the instructions are there to do that. And after a series of printing out just to clean and flush the system, all of a sudden the black started to appear, and as you can see there, as we come through, all of a sudden the black suddenly started to appear, a bit grey in areas and not printing in others. Then in the final ones, all of a sudden the black is now printing very well, and the final one, which is the one I've just done, is that one, and it's absolutely perfect. So great to the Print Hospital for their kit. It really worked well, and I'm back at printing. Many thanks.